Greetings, today we are doing carbon fiber part 3, and that is the carbon fiber door spears from Kuro Carbon. So these are the pieces, the door spears in carbon, and these ones are made by Kuro Carbon. Obviously these are very similar to what you get in the editions, so the Heritage Blue Red edition have carbon fiber door spears already, but of course for us mere mortals we do not have them, so we need to get them from someone like Dave Kuro. You can get the 4 parts, but they're kind of hard to get, and these ones from Kuro Carbon are just absolutely beautiful. You can see their construction is just standard clip-on, exactly the same as the spears that we're going to take off, so that's very handy, very awesome, should look very OEM, so let's get going. Okay, so obviously this is the door spear right here, and as you can see as standard it's just plastic, unless of course you have one of the editions, in which case you'll have something very much like this. So you can sort of see side by side, it's just going to look a heck of a lot nicer. So before we get to putting this on, we obviously have to get this off. So what I'm going to use is this little panel tool. It's made of plastic so that we won't damage this. If you can obviously get metal ones, but metal ones could potentially gouge or scratch or dig into the plastic, and that could potentially be an issue. This is made of nice soft plastic, so it shouldn't. We want to start at this end, because at this end, as you can see on our replacement part, there's this like sort of curvy Barbie thing, and so that kind of goes in there and then click on. So to remove it we have to click these off first and then carefully just remove this outwards. Yeah, it comes off relatively easily. Just unclip. Okay, so now all the clippy things are unclipped, so it's like hanging off. So like I was saying about this barb thing that kind of goes into the door, we kind of just go towards the front of the car and it should just come out. There we go. And that is the stock part off. So I guess another little side by side would be good here. The carbon fiber piece just looking so much nicer. Kuro Carbon really does some nice looking stuff. Installation of the Kuro Carbon piece is the exact same in the opposite direction, I guess. So we insert our little barb thing first, and once we insert that, that means that everything kind of lines up. So just kind of scooch it in there and push it in just until it lines up here, and you can let go, obviously, as you can see, and that means that this is all perfect alignment. So then we just need to just push it over and click it in. Simple as that. Okay, now we'll just do the exact same on the other side. So starting at this end, start clipping her off. There we go. That's it clipped off. So then we get our barb out, stock part off. So you can see just in at the corner where the barb goes, and then the clips just go along the rest of it. So as you can see on comparison, the top one is the stock bit, bottom one is the Kuro Carbon bit, and as you can see the Kuro Carbon piece is made with a genuine Ford part, so you know it's good. Okay, so as before, in with the barb and then clippy in, very simple. So get that sighted, give it a good push in, and then push in our clips. So that is literally it. Well, there we go. That is the installation of the Kuro Carbon door spears for Focus RS. Looking absolutely fantastic. I'm very impressed with the quality and the look. They look so good, and of course they complement all of the other carbon bits that I've done in the interior so far. So that is the end of Carbon Fiber Part 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very, very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.